Hi guys, now we are adding selections. So go to control structures, new Java class, name it selections. Basically selection which provides you some sort of selection. That means you are having the choices whether to choose this one or that one, or you have to select from this one or that one, or you have to perform some decisions. For example, if a equals to 10, then b equals, then set b equals to b plus 5, or any condition you can set it there with the help of selections. That means if statements, if statements, control structures, right? So we have two selection styles. One is simple selection, uh, one is simple condition or selection, or second is nested conditions. So we will be using these two, simple conditions and selections. That means, for example, if you want to select one and you have to select two, or if you want to compare a with b, or if you want to do something like that, and these actions, for example, you have to see in this video. So for example, I'm just writing the structure. If structure, then if condition, and then action, and else action, and then you have this and if. Basically, to understand these conditions you must be able to understand this thing. So see, if condition, then which condition, which action to perform. On the other hand, if the condition is on else, then which action to be performed. So this is simple if then else. Right, now we are putting this into practical. See what is going on. I'm going to take call import, use import java dot util dot asterisk. Now I'm taking two inputs, public s select, simple select, right? Simple selection, that means simple condition, simple select or simple condition. Public void s select applies to simple condition. Now what should be simple condition? Scanner sc equals to new scanner, right? System dot in. Now what you have to do, this simply take one input, integer x y, and you have to test the input. System dot out dot println. What to ask from the user to input? Enter value of x. You are going to compare these values to perform if. How to perform? X equals to x equals to sc dot next integer. Now x is occupied with some value, and system dot println enter value of y. So now you can see that you will be inputting two values, y equals to sc dot next integer. That's it. Now the question starts from here, that you have to test simple condition. If x greater than y, then output what? Then system out dot println x is greater than y, else system dot println y is greater than x, y is greater than x. That's it. Simple function does the same thing. So this should execute. One thing you need to note, that I have not put the curly braces here, and we are running the system for running the program first to test whether this take effect or not. If it does not, then we have to put the brackets to take effect. Now I'm just going to run this. See, I'm going to run this, and first of all go to control structure, make edit over there, put the remarks here. We are not going to execute sequence here, just put remarks here, and then just create another instance of a class, that is selections sl equals to new selections. That's it. Sl dot let me check what I've created method. Forgot. Now I've changed the public, remove. I've removed the public and make this to void. Now you can see this will appear in construct. Now s1 dot s select. Now you can see simple select is appears now. Now run this class, run the file. Now interact value of x, let's suppose 3, and y 2, x is greater than y. That is okay. Now again I am going to run this. Value of x is 3 and y is 4. Y is greater than x. That's it. Good. So you don't need to work for putting brackets. Now moving on to uh, nested conditions. Now we created this simply s select. Now we will say create n select, nested select, or I am going to just put nested select, void nested select, or nested condition, right? Nested conditions. Now I am going to just discuss this with this. That means you are going to work with this. That is scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in right. I'm just going to just setting one variable, system integer percentage number, right? Now system println now here you can just write your message, enter any number not less than 0 and greater than 10. We are fixing this so that you will come to know about how to fix it up. Now number equals to sc dot next integer, right? This is next integer. Now first of all you have to fix the number. If number less than 0, right, then what you have to do, you have to do dot out dot println number must be zero or must be between 0 till 10. Right, you have fixed this now here. Now you have fixed this number. Remember less than, and you have to correct the condition here. Less than 0 and number greater than 10. Then system should generate a message must be between 0 till 10. Now this is okay. Now finish. And you can just call this nested conditions, nested conditions, so that this will take effect again after this execution. Then again, if number equals to 1, we're just testing now. If number equals to 1, what you have to do, then print system dot println number is odd, right? Again, else if you have to just retract the condition, number equals to 2. Then what you have to do, you're now one by one tracking the numbers to check the state. So in this way I'm just going to focus on the 3 numbers, else if, and when you want to choose only one certain condition or criteria, you have to perform nested conditions. So if 2, then you have to just, I'm copying this, and that to save time, and here you can change number is even, and so on. Again, if number is or again you can just else if number equals to 3, then again you have to just do the same thing, number is odd. So now you can see this, or if you just want to, let's suppose if the default case, what it should execute in as default, else the system should generate message what, invalid number, even if you are focusing there, because we have not focused 2 or more than 3. So system dot invalid number is invalid or not done yet. Okay, just we are going to try run this, save this program, and then run program, control structures, so to check, to verify whether we have applied a correct condition or there's any problem. So okay, we have to just edit this file as select, it's okay. Now run the file. Now change the object type to sl dot nested conditions. Now then run the program, enter number. Now first of all I'm just giving -1 to check whether this works or not. Number is invalid or not done yet, so that means the else statement is working. The statement which we have enclosed here, and you can see that I'm just going to take you back to the this has not worked, number less than or greater than, this has not worked, right? So you don't need to worry on this. And then you have to call this else. After that you have to nested conditions. So that on the error this will call the function again, right? So this will work. Now again running the program, and if you want to remove the put a remark, just it's up to you, you can just do this, just put the remark so that this won't confuse you. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to run the program, again. See, I have run the program, and now if it is 1, let's suppose 0, you are not yet done, enter any number no less than and greater than 10, right? 1, number 1 is odd. Or if I want to repeat on this, so I can just call the function after each instance so that it can carry on with this. Again you can run the program and then see the other input other data to see the effect. Now the number is 2, number is even. Again run the program, so you will see let's suppose 3, right? If you want to exit the program, so we can just add another line of code here, so you can just do that. Just what I have to do is here else if number equals to -1, then what you have to do, system dot println thanks for using the program, and here you have to write what, system dot exit 0 1, right? So this will terminate exit 1, right? So this, in this case you can see that this will continue. Okay, now I am just continuing the program with the calling the functions in each case, copy, and then just after this up till here number 3, so that we do not have to run the program again and again, right? Now run the program and then you are done. Enter number, okay, let's suppose -1. Thanks for using the program, Java result 1. Okay, so if you put exit 0, there won't be any message, exit 0. Okay, again run the program. Okay, now 1, number is odd, enter number 2, even number, then 3, right? Then I put 4, number not in the not yet done. Okay, then I am putting just -1 to terminate the program. This -1 is known as rogue value to terminate the program. Always remember that this is a key to terminate the program. You have set -1, that if -1 is given, then the program will terminate. So you can see the result. I have input -1 and press enter. You will see in result that the program is going to be terminated. Now thanks for using the program. The program is terminated. Thanks for watching.